we're joined by NASA astronaut Megan McArthur.
Megan, thanks for joining us today. Now, I understand that before you were an astronaut, you were an oceanographer. Do you want to tell us what that entails?
Sure. Well, as you know, the Earth is mostly covered with water, with oceans, over 70%. And so one way to explore the Earth is to explore the oceans. We can do that with sound, which is what I used to do. We can study the physical properties of the ocean. We can study the animals that live in the ocean. There's just almost an endless number of things that we can study about the oceans.
We're going to look at how air is a fluid, and we've got a little demo. Can you help us out?
You bet.
All right, so we've got a couple of glasses here.
Okay.
Can you fill those up with air for us?
I'm going to fill these up with air. Done.
All right, awesome. So turn them over and put them down into the fish tank there. And what you'll see is that you're actually pushing the water down. There's not really any water going up into those. So now what we want you to do is take the one in your right hand and let the air out of it. Just let it kind of bubble up out of there. And we see that it's filling up with water.
Now what we're going to have you do is pass the air from this glass into that one, and we'll see what happens.
See how that goes. Oop. There we go.
Awesome, and as that happens, as the air transfers, you can actually see the water level in the first glass getting lower and lower. Underwater, we can really tell that it acts as a fluid, but air is a fluid. Now, Megan, we can pull those out of there now. You got a chance to see the oceans from space.
I did.
What was that like?
It was amazing. We have a beautiful blue planet, mostly, again, covered with oceans, and getting to see them kind of as a living, breathing planet was really special. You can see thunderstorms over huge surfaces of the ocean. You could see lightning going across these thunderstorms. And when the sun glints on the ocean, you can see sometimes the different current movements. So it was really a neat way for maps and pictures to come to life.
Now, would you rather look at the oceans from low Earth orbit or from a nice beach somewhere?
Well, if I'm going to be on Earth, I prefer to be in the water and under the water. That is the best view possible of the oceans, I think.
Awesome. Well, teachers, try this in your classroom and send us those pictures. We'd love to see you doing this in your class.
Thanks a lot.